Welcome to the Magali School Electrical Technology Learning Paper for Year 2, Quarter 4, 2025. Conductors and cables. Definition of a conductor. A conductor is a material that has a low resistance to the flow of electrical current, the flow of electrons. Light industrial cables. Light industrial cables is any and all cables that is used in a domestic electrical installation. Example, houses and complexes. Conductors. Conductors are chosen according to the following factors. Conductivity, how good a conductor of electricity it is. Price, how cheap or expensive it is. Rust or corrosion resistance. It should not rust or corrode easily. Malleability, how soft or rigid it is. And density determines the weight. Cables and wires. A wire has a single insulation with either a single strand core or multi-strand core, while a cable consists of more than one core that is double insulated. Each core is individually insulated and all the individual cores are then insulated together with an outer layer. Cables and wires. Difference between solid core and multi-strand cables. Identify the type and installation process of the following conductors. Household cable consists of multi-core copper strands with PVC insulation. Twin flex cable used for bed lamps, speaker wires, etc. Fine copper strands that is very flexible. It comes in twin insulation so that each core is individually insulated. Surfix or two-core and earth. Surfix cable can be used without a conduit and is available in indoor white and outdoor black application. Cap tire cable. Normal flexible cable used for extension cables and also for the connection of portable appliances. Panel wire. Single-stranded wire. GP wire or house wire. General purpose. Armor cable. Underground application. Armor cable consists of multi-strand copper conductors that is covered in different PVC insulation. It can contain 3 or more cores that is all enclosed by a tough layer of rubber or PVC. The next layer consists of wire armor layer, which is then followed by a final layer of PVC that ensures watertight connection. Domestic installations. Surface mount and flush mount installations. Surface mount of cables and pipes is when cables and pipes are mounted on the outer surface of a wall or other surface. Flush mount of cables and pipes is when cables and pipes are mounted inside the surface of the wall and other surfaces. Equipment requirements or tools. The tool requirements that will be engaged for PVC conduit works will be as follows. A hacksaw to cut steel pipes and the PVC conduit. Measuring tape to measure the correct length is needed. Cutting pliers to cut wires. Knipex or end cutter to cut PVC conduit pipes. Bending spring to bend PVC conduit pipes to the correct angles. Fish tape to pull wires through pipes and conduits. Magnetism. Each magnet has 2 poles, north and south. The first illustration is a permanent magnet with magnetic field lines, and the second illustration is the magnetic field of a solenoid or electromagnet. The magnetic field or flux of a bar magnet is concentrated at the pole ends and the flow of the magnetic field is indicated to flow from north to south. Transformers. Transformers can only work with alternating current, AC. Direct current, DC, cannot be transformed in the same way as alternating current, AC, because transformers rely on the principle of electromagnetic induction, which requires a changing magnetic field. DC maintains a constant direction and magnitude of the electrical current, which result in constant magnetic field. Without a changing magnetic field, there is no electromotive force, EMF, induced in the secondary windings and therefore no voltage transfer. When a transformer is being used to increase the input voltage, it is called a step-up transformer. And when the transformer is being used to decrease the input voltage, it's called a step-down transformer. The primary coil is where the alternating current AC enters the transformer input, and the secondary coil is where the AC exits the transformer, the output. The core in the transformer ensures efficient magnetic coupling between the windings, facilitating the transfer of electrical energy from the primary side to the secondary side. The three factors that determines the magnitude of an induced EMF is the strength of the magnetic field, the number of windings in the coil, the speed of the relevant movement between the coil and the magnetic field. Dynamically induced electromotive force, EMF, is the generation of EMF into a conductor through relative movement between the conductor and the magnetic field. Tests that can be carried out on a transformer. First is a visual test. You will look to see if there's anything wrong with it. Open circuit test that you'll use a multimeter to test for continuity. And a short circuit test, also done by a multimeter to check for short circuits. Motors. The following is a sketch of the different components and assembly of the DC motor. A is the brush holder. B is the spring. C is the brushes. D is the fan. E is the commutator. F is the outer body casting or the stator. G is the shaft. H is the bearings. And I is the end plate. The steps that needs to be taken when servicing an electrical motor. Check the brushes for wear and damage. Check and clean the commutator. Check, clean and grease or oil the bearings. Check and clean the fan. Some applications that make use of transformers. In domestic appliances such as TVs and radios, computers, printers, microwave ovens, etc. Some appliances that make use of electrical motors. Microwave ovens, washing machines, dryers, mixers, fans, computers, hair dryers, lawn mowers, etc. The difference between electrical motor and electrical generator. The principle and assembly of the electrical motor and the electrical generator is exactly the same. The only difference lies in the propulsion and the use of the specific machine. The motor is driven by electrical energy, which is converted into mechanical energy by the motor, while the generator is driven by mechanical energy that is converted into electrical energy. And that brings us to the end. Good luck.